Enjoy a unique 2-hour heart-pounding excursion on the latest models of jet skis. The adventure begins at the Quipos Pier. From here we will take you to our jet ski platform on a small boat. On the platforms, we have lockers, where you can store your personal items. Each jet ski has a small waterproof compartment, where you can store a camera and sunscreen. From the platform, your guide will teach you how to drive the jet ski. Then you set off on your adventure. Your guide will take you out on a dolphin and whale watch. Then you can go and explore the coastline of Manuel Antonio. After this, your guide will take you snorkeling in a pristine bay over an amazing reef, where he will point out many species of fish and coral. All of our jet skis are low emission, because the company is always trying to preserve our precious environment. Find more information visiting www.manuelantoniopark.com and make your reservations today.